PARC, ITAMCO, Vimana, and the MT Connect Institute completed work on their platform that was submitted in response to Project Call 15-03 to the Digital Manufacturing and Design Innovation Institute in Chicago, titled Communication Standards for Intelligent Manufacturing. The standards-based platform for enterprise communication enabling optimal production and self-awareness, or SPEC-OPS for short, has demonstrated the ability to utilize standards-based information models and communication technology to create an agile, smart manufacturing platform where each component is a pluggable service sharing open-source messaging and data representations. Current enterprise resource planning, or ERP, and manufacturing execution software, or MES, provides little to no support for dynamic planning, scheduling, and optimizing equipment utilization. Nor does it support the needs of contract manufacturers as the industry moves towards flexible, agile design and manufacturing services to accommodate a wider variety of customer requirements. To address the needs of modern manufacturers, the SPEC-OPS team has developed technologies that demonstrate dynamic planning, scheduling, and process analysis to increase agility on the shop floor. The SPEC-OPS standards-based approach uses standards for all communications and information sharing between the various services to allow for pluggable components and a scalable architecture not possible in a vertically integrated proprietary platform. SPEC-OPS provides the foundations for manufacturing systems to become self-aware. It allows these systems to dynamically describe themselves and their capabilities, and then track their capabilities during production with real-time feedback to planning and scheduling. Smart manufacturing is predicated on dynamic services that adapt to the rapidly changing conditions on the shop floor and accommodate changes in schedule, priorities, and equipment availability. There will never be a single vendor who can satisfy all the needs of the smart manufacturing enterprise at scale. But multiple companies working in collaboration can supply the components of the right solution at the right price. Standards allow for the greatest flexibility and choice for the user and prevent vendor lock-in, so the user can always choose the best technology to solve their problems. Standards also allow companies to collaborate to overcome the biggest challenges in manufacturing, like predicting the maintenance interval that maximizes productivity, or provide optimal production routing for a given part given the current set of capabilities available. The SPEC-OPS platform has been demonstrated at ITAMCO's shop floor using their existing ERP and MES systems. When an order arrives at ITAMCO, it is entered into the ERP system, and the material manager creates a matching manufacturing order in the MES system as usual. The information from the ERP and MES systems are picked up in real time and translated into the XML representation of the ISA 95 Enterprise Control Standard in compliance with the B2MML, Business to Manufacturing Markup Language managed by Mesa. This standard is posted to MT Connect, where it is made immediately available to the scheduling, planning, and production systems. B2MML provides the scheduling system with information about the order, including delivery, target start and end dates, references to CAD designs using the STEP AP203 standard, and material requirements. The design information is also sent to the planner, which matches the requirements from the order with available machine capabilities and tooling. The planner informs the scheduler about all the possible ways the manufacturing requirements can be met given the equipment. These possibilities are represented in a new MT Connect process information model that provides the routings and process requirements specific to discrete manufacturing. The scheduler evaluates the machine capabilities, assessing the current condition and health of every piece of equipment in the shop. For all the orders that must start manufacturing to meet their delivery date, the scheduler also evaluates the alternative ways of manufacturing each part. Finally, the scheduler also takes into consideration whether the equipment has sufficient useful life remaining to complete the order. The remaining useful life calculations and the representations of the current process plans are represented in the MT Connect standard as well, and are being proposed for the next release of the standard. The design and planning data are communicated to engineering, through the MT Connect communication layer. CNC machine tool instructions, or G-code, are created to satisfy the needs of the manufacturing process as specified by the planner. The final process information is associated with the MT Connect part, which contains the final routing and schedule, cutting tools, and control programs necessary for production. As with all the communications, this is delivered in real time back to the MES system for shop floor execution. Machine health and capabilities to perform certain jobs are determined by process analytics that compute how long the machine is in various states. This data comes with the machine tools through MT Connect. The scheduler will then reroute orders to different machines based on the real-time assessment of each piece of equipment. The demonstration shows how the scheduler can respond to various disruptions in manufacturing processes, as well as predictively determine a new set of routings and processes based on the health of the machine. SPEC-OPS provides us the foundation for the next generation of standards-based dynamic planning, scheduling, and tracking software. There's still more work to complete all the functionality and develop products based on the platform. But having the standards in place will increase the number of applications available and ease the implementation burden for all parties. The synergistic effect of these technologies will exceed any singular offering or capability and help increase our manufacturing productivity and agility.